이 마을이 괴레메보다 훨씬 더 되게 자연스러운 느낌입니다. 여기가 훨씬 멋있네. 와. Yeah, like Mars or something. $200 Ah, this is not. Ah, this souvenir.
Yeah.
Oh, I almost got scammed by myself.
100.
Yeah.
Oh, 250.
Okay.
What is it?
Price for Turkish students.
I'm a student, but 250.
Only
No. Okay.
Yeah, you don't look like Turkish people.
Yeah.
It doesn't work.
Okay. How can I say thank you very much?
teşekkür ederim.
Ederim.
Ederim. Okay.
Thank you. Teşekkür ederim.
Ederim.
Ederim very much.
Okay.
Teşekkür ederim.
Wow, so cool. Maybe it's canoe.
Canoe. Ah, yeah. What a small canoe.
Boat.
Yeah, it's wood. Oh. Animal locked up. Maybe slaves or prisoners.
A good way. Good you.
Oh, you good view. I'm stuck in here, but I'm so good. I'm glad to see outside. 와, 미쳤다 진짜.
Look like light. Sound very.
Oh yeah. It's not hot.
Yeah.
Oh, you're broken down.
No.
Hello? Police! Police!
Why is here?
Thanks so much. Thank you.
Before I jumped here, definitely it's broken.
Uh,
Can you see that?
yeah, it's almost.
Yeah.
But you can give it a try.
No way.
So we can see if it's broken or not.
I can come back to Japan.
You can go to here. Yeah. 와우. 이건 뭐 하는 거야?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Good. 예. 여기는 이렇게 덜 깊은 홀이 있고 옆에는 더 깊은 홀이 있고. But there's no way to come up here.
Yeah.
Once you come down there,
One of the jail.
jail.
Good view for it.
Yeah, good view prison.
May I push you?
Huh. There are small rooms. What's inside?
It's for.
Yeah, it's burned. Smell like some shit. Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, some pee smell. Oh.
Hatotani.
하토타니. Pigeon belly.
But I can see the pigeon.
Maybe pigeon there. Yeah, you can see the pigeon there. There's one single pigeon. Yeah. One glass 20 lira.
No. This is not animal park. I checked the internet
Mm-hmm.
and they said pigeons vary.
Yeah.
They collected pigeons poop.
Yeah.
They're using farm.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm very surprised because their poop is very small. How do I use?
yeah. Collecting all the small things and then.
Toilet paper?
No way.
No, don't touch.
Wow, is it like?
Oh my god.
Smells not too bad. Yeah. Tunnel. Wow. The shape's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Look at the paint. So cool.
Toenails.
What's toenails?
Toenail.
Toenail.
That.
Oh, toenail? Cave?
Okay. I don't know.
What's toenail?
Toenail. You said toenail last time.
동굴? In Korea?
I'm not sure. Toenail? Toenail is, I think, is English. Toenail.
토네요? 토네요. 토네요.
Toenail.
아, 터널. 아, 터널. Hey, 터널.
Toenail. It's same.
How could it be the same? Say that again?
Toenail.
토네요.
Tunnel. Tunnel.
오.
Toenail.
Oh, come on. No.
Tunnel.
Same.
Toenail. Is that different?
Same.
Tunnel.
Some big animal.
Maybe dogs?
Oh.
Bear's more bigger.
Bear? Don't say that, bear. Oh, you know the bear lives in tunnel.
맞아. But my hometown has bears.
Oh, really?
Some bears, yeah.
Do they attack people?
Sometimes.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. So let's do Japanese things.
Yeah,
Choose the one wood.
yeah. It's quite
Like
big one.
this?
Yeah,
And okay. So this wood
yeah,
getting weird way.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
This or this.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh, maybe same way. Oh no, we can climb. We climb. But which said so?
우치히사르. Yeah, we can come up somehow. Yeah, it's not too far.
But do you remember we need to walk one more hours? Yeah, maybe we can take a bus if you want.
Yeah, I won. What about you? Can you walk
Yeah, I can walk.
to get to our town?
Yeah.
Don't lie.
Yeah.
So you walk, I take a bus. You just tapped on Big Pooh?
Me?
Yeah. Okay.
You know, I was in Jakarta.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Every day, thousands of food.
Thousand of Pooh. Just tapped on every day.
Yes, it used to poo.
That sounds good. Oh. Beautiful mountain.
How can I say beautiful in Korean?
아름다워.
아름다워.
What?
아름다워.
You wanna say something in Japanese?
기대.
키레. What? What's that?
Beautiful.
키레네.
기대네.
Meow. Meow.
Talking.
Meow.
He's a boy.
Oh. 라브라브. It's like Romeo and Juliet.
Yeah, looks like so.
Meow.
Julieta.
Oh, yo, watch out.
Romeo
Meow.
Oh,
오, 이루어질 수 없는 사랑. It's just like movie Romeo and Juliet. They can't meet.
Oh, Romeo, Romeo.
They love each other. Sad story.
Oh, Romeo, Romeo.
What?
I'm not sure the story.
They die?
Oh, die.
Nice one. Hey, how you been? With this ticket,
Yeah.
you should be okay. This is like 1 day ticket. Whoa!
And when I wake up, I always see this view. What do you think about?
I think you're crazy. Yeah, this is scissor,
Check mark.
rock, scissor,
Scissors?
paper.
Paper.
Rock, scissor,
Yeah.
paper.
I
Why,
never-
why not? Why not?
Check mark.
Christmas.
There is a famous song. Christmas. Yeah.
I think pop song. You know, Mariah Carey.
It's
All I want for
same.
Christmas is you.
No, no, no.
Na 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 na. What about Japan?
Same.
Same. But that song is so good.
Yeah. Well, Ariana Grande.
Santa, tell me. Yeah. It's so beautiful.
But cold.
Sorry, you want some jacket?
Okay.
You alright?
Yeah. Because my jacket has 2 layers.
Can you give me your jacket? We gotta finish the video for today. It's the end of the video.
Thank you.
Thank you
Hit
for watching.
button
What?
And subscribe, please.
Please. Good job. Good job.
맞다네.
What? What's 왔다네?
맞다네.
맞다네.
See you again.
See you again.